Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make delicious vegetarian churros right in your own kitchen. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients: all-purpose flour, water, sugar, and a pinch of salt. You'll also need a good neutral oil for frying, like canola or sunflower oil, and a piping bag fitted with a star-shaped nozzle to get those iconic churro ridges. It's a fun and rewarding process, perfect for a sweet treat. Now let's make the dough. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, remove it from the heat and quickly add 1 cup of all-purpose flour all at once. Stir vigorously with a wooden spoon until a smooth, thick dough forms and pulls away from the sides of the pan. Cook for about 1 minute more. Next, it's time to fry our churros. Heat at least 2 inches of neutral oil in a deep pot or Dutch oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pipe 4 to 6-inch lengths of dough directly into the hot oil, using kitchen shears to cut them. Do not overcrowd the pot. Fry in batches. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. This step is crucial for that perfect texture. Finally, let's finish these delightful treats. Once fried, immediately transfer the churros to a wire rack to drain any excess oil. While still warm, toss them generously in a mixture of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. This sweet coating is essential for the classic churro experience. Serve your freshly made vegetarian churros warm with a side of rich chocolate dipping sauce or creamy dulce de leche. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.